Hello dear students. So today we are going to do question number 9 of exercise 5.2 and the chapter name is AP. And in this question it is saying that if the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8, it means that the third term is 4 and the ninth term is minus 8. Third term is 4 and the ninth term is minus 8. And question it is saying that the third term is 4 and the ninth term is minus 8. And it is asking which term of this AP will be 0. It is asking that which term of this AP will be 0. It means that we have to find n by keeping an is equals to 0. But of course, as we do not know the a and d in this AP, so first we will find a and d. So we'll use a3. Now a3 is what? A plus 2d equals to 4, as a3 is a plus 2d, and a9 will be a plus ad equals to minus 8. We'll solve this both equation, as you know the signs will get changed, plus negative plus to negative and negative to positive. So it will get cancelled. Minus 8d plus 2d. It will become minus 6d and it will become 12. So d will come out to be minus 2, and we will put d in this equation a plus 2d, as we know that a plus 2d is equals to 4. So it will become a plus 2 into d is minus 2 equals to 4. It will come out to be a minus 4 equals to 4, and a will come out to be 8. A will come out to be 8, dear students. So now we have got a and d. So what we will do, now we have to find that in this AP whose A is 8 and D is minus 2, which term of this AP will be 0. So as we know that we will take an is equals to 0, and formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An we have taken 0 and a is 8 plus n, which is we have to find it out, and d is minus 2. So it will come out to be minus 8 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 2, and will come out to be in minus 8 upon minus 2 is equals to n minus 1. N will come out to be by solving 5. So n is equals to 5 is the answer. It means that fifth term of this AP will be 0. And if we check also, if you make AP starting with 8, then it will become 6, then it will become 4, it will become 2, then it will become 0. And you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth term is 0. Okay, so fifth term is 0. This is how we have to do. With the help of two equations, we will with the help of two equations we will first find out a and d. A and d we will find it out, and then by keeping an is equals to 0, because it is asking which sum of the AP is 0. So we'll take an is equals to 0. An is equals to 0, we have put the value of a and d, and then we have found out n is equals to 5 is the answer. So nowadays students, the 10th question is the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Suppose any AP is there. It is saying that its 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. By 7. Suppose any 17th term is there and any 10th term is there. So 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. So of course the equation will be somewhat like this. The 17th term of an AP is equal to 10th term plus 7. 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So we have taken a10, this side will become a17 minus a10 is equals to 7, and then a17 will be of course a plus 16d, and then we have put minus over here, and then we have opened the bracket, and a10 will be a plus 9d. And then if we open the bracket, the sign will change. It will become minus a minus 9d, and plus a minus a will get cancelled, and 16d minus 9d, 7d is equals to 7, and d will come out to be 1. And it was asking the common difference of this AP. So we have found the common difference, which is 1, and this is the answer. Here it is talking of the same AP. In the same AP, it is saying that the 17 term exceeds 10 term by 7. So we'll keep the A and A same over here, and D and D same over here. So dear students, coming to question number 11. In question number 11, it is saying that which term of the AP, any AP is given, and it is 3, 15, 27, 39. It is asking which term of this AP, question asking which term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. इसका 54th term कोई है, कह रहा है उसमें अगर हम 132 ऐड कर दें तो जो वैल्यू आएगी वो कौन सा टर्म होगा. Which term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. So अगर हम इसको एक स्टेटमेंट में एक्सप्रेस करें तो इट विल बी दिस समवॉट लाइक दिस. विच टर्म ऑफ द एपी, जिसको हमने an ले लिया, n हमको फाइंड आउट करना है, हमको नहीं मालूम कौन सा n है वो, इक्वल्स टू 132 प्लस 54. विच टर्म ऑफ द एपी इज 132 more than its 54th term. So of course हम फिर a54 को will take this side, it will become an minus a54 is equals to 132, and an will be what, an will be a plus n minus 1d minus a54 will be what, a plus 53d is equals to 132. And then we have opened the bracket, it will be a plus n minus 1d minus a, and this plus will become minus, then plus a minus a will come out, will cancel, and then we have put d's value. D value is what, we can check over here. D value is 12. How we have got 15 minus 3, 12. So we have put D value over here, and then it will become 12 and minus 12. We have opened the bracket, 12 and minus 12 equals 53 into 12 it is 636 is equals to 132. Okay, and then we have added 636 plus 12, it will come out to minus 648 is equals to 132, and then we will solve it, we will get n is equals to 65. It means that 65th term is the answer, is the answer. 65th term is the answer. 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. It means that suppose any AP is there, this AP is only there, and this is 54th term, and this is 65th term. If we add 132 to 54th term, it will become this 65th term. So dear students, I hope you got the question, you got the solution. It is very important to understand the question, what it is asking. Do not just learn the solution. So dear students, now we have come to question number 12, and it is saying that this question is very important also, and you have to understand this question, and this is little bit tricky, not much tricky, but you have to understand this question. It is saying that two APs have the same common difference. First, let's understand the question. It is saying that two APs are there. Two APs are there. One AP is this, and one AP is this. They are saying that both common difference is same. It means that if we have taken common difference D over here, then we will also take D over here. Two APs have the same common difference, and the difference between their 100 term, it means that the first term is different, it means that the first term is different. So we have taken small a over here and capital A over here. We have taken its first term is small a and its first term is capital A. Now it is saying that the difference between the 100 term is 100. Now I have written the equation over here. Its 100 term will be what? Its 100 term will be small a 100, and its 100 term will be capital A 100. So the question is saying the difference between their 100 term is 100. The difference between their 100 term is 100. It means that small a 100 minus capital A 100 will be 100. So first we will solve this equation. So small a 100 minus capital A 100 will be 100. So small a 100 will be what? A plus 99D minus capital A will be what? Capital A plus 99D is equals to 100. Then we will open the bracket. It will be a plus 99d minus a minus 99d. This will get cancelled and small a minus capital A will come out to be 100. So we will keep this equation. It will be further used. Now afterwards the question is saying what is the difference between their thousandth term. इनके thousand terms का difference क्या है? It means that it is asking what is the difference between their thousandth term. What is the difference between their thousandth term? So we have to find out a small a thousand minus capital A thousand, because the first term is, both of these are different. So it will be a plus triple 9d minus capital A plus triple 9d. So again we'll open the bracket and it will be get cancelled because sign will change, and small a minus capital A, and we know the small a minus capital A is 100. So we will put the value of small a minus small a minus capital A over here. It will come out to be 100. It means that the difference between the thousand term will also be 100. It means that the difference between the thousand term will also be 100. Dear students, please let me know if you are able to understand the concepts or not, because there are many things which I am not explaining via online method. Okay, teaching on YouTube, because I know it may get little complex to you. So I am just explaining what you just need to know. Okay, so please let me know if you are getting the questions or not. Okay, and getting the solutions or not. Please let me know in the comment box whether it is yes or whether it is no. Thank you. So dear students, now we are coming to question number 13. It is saying that how many three-digit number are divisible by 7. First of all, let's think that from where three-digit number starts. So we all know that three-digit number starts from 100, then it continues, and then its last three-digit number is 999. So first we will have to check which is the first three-digit number, which is divisible by 7. This is not divisible by 7, 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 this is also not divisible by 7. Yes, this is 105 is divisible by 7. So this has become the first three-digit number which is divisible by 7. So our AP will start from here. Now let's check at the end that which number is which is the last three-digit number that is divisible by 7. So of course this will not be divisible by 7, this will not be divisible by 7, this will not be divisible by 7, and 995, sorry, 995 is also not divisible. 994 is the last number which is divisible, three-digit number which is divisible by 7. So our AP will end at 994. Our AP will start with 105 and AP will end at 994. Of course these all are in between numbers, are all the divisible by 7. So first number will be 105 and next number will be what? It will be of course 112, because this also has to be divisible by 7. We have to make the AP of all numbers which are divisible by 7. How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So the next number will be 112. So here A is 105, D will be 7 of course, and we will take AN as 994. If you remember in last I guess fifth or sixth question, I do not remember exactly, I have told you if last sum of the AP is given, then take that term as AN and then take out N. So the N will be the number of terms in this AP, and we have to find this only, the number of terms in this AP. So we have got AN, we have got D, we have got A, and the N we have to find it out. So we of course we know that AN is equals to A plus N minus 1D, and we have put the AN value, we have put A value, and we have to find it out, and D is 7, and when we will solve it, it will come out to be 128. It means that between 100 and triple nine, between 100 and triple nine, there are 128 terms which are divisible by 7, and the first term that is divisible by 7, for the first 3-digit number that is divisible by 7 is 105, and the last 3-digit number that is divisible by 7 is 994. So I hope, dear students, you understood this concept, and if you haven't, please let me know in the comment. Thank you.